Hey guys, welcome to another Business Computing World video. Today I'm looking at the LabelWorks LW900P from Epson. Brand new label printer. Now label printers are pretty niche products, of course. They're not designed for everyone, but if you're a user in an office or warehouse or manufacturing or medical or loads of industries like that has a need to print labels, they're great products, and they're a lot easier to use than like an inkjet or a desktop, which can be very cumbersome for printing labels, very tricky to insert the paper, get the alignment of text and barcodes and all that kind of stuff lined up. A label printer is a really good product, and prices are pretty good now. So let's take a closer look at this product. First thing you'll notice about the LW900P is its compact size. It's finished in like a light grey colour, and there's not a lot to the product. Now, this label printer is not battery operated. It doesn't have a keypad or a display, so it has to be operated via USB to your Windows or Mac computer, and it connects via USB. On the back here, there's no Wi-Fi, Ethernet, parallel, serial, anything like that. So it's a traditional printer, in all sense of the word. But the fact that it does connect to a computer means it gives you a lot more customization options with the label printing software that Epson provides. Now, there's not a great deal physically to the LW900P. There's just a feed button, a couple of status LEDs on there. On this side there's nothing at all. I've just shown you the back already, but I'll just show you that again. There's the power outlet socket, which goes to a power brick, which is just down on the floor, and there's a USB 2 port there. All the action happens on this side of the printer, hitting this release button on the top, pulls down this door. Now at first, when I did this, it's quite stiff here, and I thought, I'm not going to yank on this because something's going to break. So I tried to put a cartridge in there and it wasn't working, so I got the manual out, and it did show that this door actually does come down, and you just have to give it a bit of a pull and it does release it. I was a little bit worried at first, but it's okay. That just shows you the internals there, where we just insert a cartridge. I'll show you how that happens in just a moment. If we could see that okay. So Epson provides 2 sample packs of labels in the box. There's a black on white 36mm cartridge just there, and there's also a 12mm black and yellow cartridge. So I'll just load one of those. I'll load the black on white cartridge in. It's a relatively simple process. You just have to hook this bit here onto this hole in the cartridge, make sure that fits in okay, and just the feed goes into a little slot just here. So you feed that into the slot, push it in, and then you just push this door up again, just push it in tight. That cartridge is now loaded. We've got the power indicator here. So what I'll do now is I'll just print off a label from the Epson software, and you'll see the LW900P in action. So here it comes. So here it comes. Okay. Now this was this is a pre-designed template from Epson in the software, and it's kind of an extension phone list. You see that? Okay. Now the quality of the text and the black is really good. It's nice and bold and crisp, and you'd expect that from Epson. Now you can either peel this off and stick it on anywhere you like. It's ready to go. Or the printer has this round, it's like a cutter at the bottom here, and it rounds the edges of the labels. So what you can do, if you want to make the labels more visually appealing, and also Epson claims that having rounded edges on labels reduces the risk of the labels peeling off. So what we do is you just there. If you can see, compared to the bottom, we now have rounded. This side here has rounded edges compared to this edge, which has a standard straight. So I'll just do that on the bottom edge. Let's feed it in. Hold it while it's cutting, and there we have the rounded labels, the rounded edges on all 4 labels. So now I can just peel this off, and that label is good to go on anything you wanted to stick it on. So that's that. The feed button, you just press that, feeds out label. So if you want to get a bit more label out here, changing, you can see just the labels popping out. Changing cartridges is a simple process. There's no on-off switch as such, so you just open, pull down, take the cartridge out. Put the feed in, remember. You see here, this is a 12mm cartridge, so the size of the labels is greatly reduced. Just put that in here, and that's ready to go. And I'll just print off a 12mm sample now, and we can take a look at it. Okay, I'm just going to print an IP address that you can put on a piece of network equipment, etc. Here you go, it kind of spits it out, and that hasn't done anything. So I'll try that again. That came out totally blank. So Okay, I'm now going to print an IP address that I could use on a piece of network equipment. There we go. Spits it out kind of funny. And there you go. You have, for example, an IP address on a yellow and black sticker this time. And Epson offers a massive range of label types, all different colours and all different sizes. And that's the LabelWorks LW900P from Epson. Remember, for a full review, please check out businesscomputingworld.co.uk. Thank you.